Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to be here and the festive season is here. So I have really good affordable skincare for glowing skin in this video. Let's start and I'll start with the base, which is cleanser, and this cleanser is gonna give you glowing skin while controlling the sebum.
This biocule Oil Clear Purifying Cleanser has zinc PCA and ursolic acid which can soothe the skin. It also controls oil production. I love the water jelly texture that it has. It also has aloe vera, citrus extract, willow bark and tulsi, and it just cleanses my skin so nicely without drying. Also, it leaves this glow which I really like. It also treats congested pores, whiteheads, and a great cleanser to have in your skincare routine. You can use this every day, and especially for festive seasons I want my skin clear and glowing, and this cleanser helps a lot there. It does a good job even in double cleansing routine. So yeah, if you're looking for a good affordable cleanser for this festive season, I would recommend this one because this one is really nice. I love how it makes my skin feel. Also, for glowing hydrated skin, I'd recommend this Aqua Boost Hydrating Toner from biocule. It has hyaluronic acid, pentavitamin, citrulline, and it just feels so soothing and hydrating on my skin. And I have used many toners, and this is one of my top toners. I mean, this toner is so lightweight, non-sticky, also works as a very good skin prep before you makeup. And yeah, it can work for all skin types. You can use this every day. I'd highly recommend this one. And this Forever Young Under Eye Cream from biocule has the best texture ever, I'm telling you. This is so smooth, lightweight, it works on fine lines, wrinkles, it depuffs, and just works so good for even you're gonna apply concealer. Before that you want to prep your under eye area, you can use this one. It also works on dark circles. If you don't like heavy eye creams and you are looking for something lightweight, hydrating, that can work for your tired, puffy eyes, this can be it. Also, if you're looking for a good, affordable lip balm, this one from Boroline is the best. It works great as, before applying lipstick, if you want to prep your lips. It is just, I think, 50 rupees, and they have 3 variants. Highly recommend this one. Can work as overnight lip mask as well, great for dry lips. And this one is my favorite. This is Berry Bright from Chemist. This is their face pack. Love this one, but I have heard from others that some of them found this to be sensitizing, but it worked really well for me. So if you're new to this, please do a patch test. It just brightens and hydrates my skin. Love the gel texture, especially during summer. If it's very hot, it works great, and I just love the glow that it gives. So during festive season, before getting ready, it can be my quick facial. I recommend this to be used twice in a week. That should be enough. We love to do makeup during festivities, and this one is going to remove the makeup for you because this is equally important to take care of your skin. This is Europe Girls Oil Cleanser. This is one of the most affordable oil cleansers I have tried, and it works really well. It doesn't sting my eyes, removes makeup, sunscreen really well. And yeah, I didn't see any fragrance in the formulation, but it has slightly floral scent, to be very honest. But yeah, it works really well for my skin.
So I really hope you found this to be helpful and thank you so much for being there. I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.